Hello dear friends, welcome to FinShapi. In this session, let us discuss how to apply for IPO using Upstock mobile app. This is very quick session. Let us start now. Open Upstock app. You can find three bars top left. Click on it. In the second option, you can see apply for IPO. Click on it. Then you will see whatever IPOs are open at that moment. At this moment, I can see Nureka and Railtel Corporation. For the demo purpose, I am using Railtel Corporation. We need to click on details. When we click on it, it may prompt login details. We need to give login details. Once login is done, again click on details of the particular IPO you want to apply. Yeah, now I can see Railtel Corporation details, quantity, price range, etc. I need to click on place bid. Here in these details, investor type, I need to choose individual. Enter UPI ID. We need to enter our UPI ID. I'm entering my UPI ID, which is based on ICICI Bank. So click on continue once that is done. Here we need to give bid details. There are three bids. We can give one bid, that would be enough when we use cutoff price. I am using cutoff price, and for demo purpose I am applying for one lot. They are 155 quantity. I am giving quantity 155. That's it. You can ignore other bids. Click on terms and conditions checkbox and click on continue. We can see here summary details, UPI ID, investor type, quantity, etc. Click on confirm and apply. We can see here step 1 is completed, which is whatever steps we need to do from the Upstock app. And the remaining step is we have to do from the UPI app. Whatever UPI app you are using, Beam app or whatever, Google Pay or your bank UPI app, open that and complete it. I have opened my bank app and opened request received from the UPI. So we need to click on proceed here, and we need to authorize this transaction to complete the total IPO process. We can see here validity, dates, amount and all that. When I click on proceed, it will be completed. Total IPO process of applying through Upstock account will be completed. So it is done. You can see here mandate is approved. When we can again go and check in the Upstock app. When we click on details, we can see here it is completely done. That's it friends, how to apply for IPO using Upstock app. Hope you understand how to apply using Upstock app. If you don't have Upstock Demat account, in this video description I have given Upstock account opening link. Within 5-10 minutes you can open your Demat account online. I also gave Upstock account opening process session link also. You can also make use of that. Thank you friends.